Good morning, standard 8 students. This is I am going to solve some more questions from exercise 13D. Hey, the first question today, question number 8, x squared minus x minus 72. Hey, we have to split the middle term. Now, last term is 72, coefficient of x square is 1, so 1 into 72 is 72. Now 72 will be different product, but we have to select only those product on which plus or minus it should be minus 1. It should be equal to the middle term. So 9 into 8, 72. 72 36 into 2, 72. So many products are coming. But we will take only those products which after plus and minus the middle value must become. So if we take 9 and 8, we want minus 1. So minus 9 or plus 8, it become minus 1. So we will write x squared minus 9x plus 8x minus 72. Now what is common in the first pair? X minus 9. Last pair 8, x minus 9. See inside the bracket it is same. So we are going the correct path. Now on the whole common is x minus 9, then x plus 8 is left. This is our answer. Right, clear? Next, question number 13. 2a squared minus 17ab plus 26b squared. Here, last term is not a constant here. And variable also two variables are there, a and b. We will follow the same rule. Why? We are splitting the middle term, not the first and last. So we will take the coefficient of the first term and coefficient of the last term. We will multiply together. So 2 into 26. 2 into 26, it is 52. Now 52 will be several product. We want minus 17. In the middle is minus 17. So 52 will be 13 into 4. 52 will be 26. 26 into 2. 8. Several products. So when we want minus 17. So when we take 13 into 4, we can write minus 13 and minus 4, it become minus 17. We will take this product. So we will write here 2a squared minus 13ab minus 4ab plus 26b squared. So minus 13 or minus 4 minus 17. Now take the common in the first. The common is a. 2a minus 13b. What is common in the last two? The minus 2b. The 2a and minus 1 plus minus 13b. Inside the bracket it is same. So on the whole common is 2a minus 13b. Then what is left? A minus 2b. This is our answer. Right, clear? Question number 15. 4c squared plus 3c minus 4. Right. So coefficient of c squared is 4, constant term is 10. So 4 into 10 means 40. Now we have to select several products, but we will select only those after plus or minus should be plus 3. So which will we do? 40, 20 into 2, 10 into 4, right? 8 into 5. These are all the product of 40. But we want plus 3. So which value product will take? This one. Plus 8 minus 5 become plus 3. So we will write here 4c square plus 8c minus 5c minus 10. What is common in the first pair? 4c. c plus 2. Here minus 5 common, then c plus 2. On the whole common is c plus 2, then left 4c minus 5. This is our answer. Right. Similarly, see this question. Question number 17. 6 plus 7b minus 3b square. Here, the constant term is written first. Right? No problem. We will follow the same rules. Because we are splitting the middle term, middle value, not the first and last. So same method we will apply here. We will multiply the constant term and the coefficient of b here. So 6 3 are 18. Right? 6 3 are 18. 6 into 3, that is 18. Now we will find the product of 18. So 18, 9 into 2. And we want plus 7. So plus 9 minus 2, that is plus 7. So we will take this product only. What was? 6 plus 9b minus 2b minus 3b square. So plus 9 minus 2 plus 7. Now what is common in the first? 3. 2 plus 3b. Here what is common? Minus b. So 2 plus 3b. Same side bracket it is same. So on the whole common is 2 plus 3b and 3 minus b. This is our answer. Right? Do you follow this one? So very simple exercise it is. One more question is question number 19. 4 plus y minus 14y square. Hey, so product constant term is 4 and coefficient of y square is 14. So 14 into 4, 56. Now 56 product, several product, we want plus 1. Which one you will take? 56. 56 will be 20, 28 into 2, 56 will be 8 into 7. Right? We want plus 1. So which will take? Plus 8 minus 7, that is plus 1. So we will write here 4 plus 8y minus 7y minus 14y square. What is common? 4. So 1 plus 2y, and what is common here? Minus 7y. So 1 plus 2y. On the whole common is 1 plus 2y and 4 minus 7y. This is our answer. So you come to know all the questions have the same rule. Right? No different rule is there. So as a homework, up to 20 you have to complete, and what question I solve you have to divide that question also. Right? Okay, thank you very much.